Pope Francis released 2 white doves as a sign of peace. Those doves were instantly attacked by a seagull and a crow, and the symbolism of that is lost on no one. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. Some people think they just watched the devil himself attack the Pope's birds. Like Watchman on the Tower, who tweeted, "I don't believe in coincidences. I believe the devil is hard at work in this world, and this is significant." Or Malaka Grant, who believes the attack on the birds means the devil doesn't want peace in Ukraine. As if El Diablo wasn't enough to worry about, Pope Francis has another enemy at his pearly gates. Animal rights groups are scolding Pope Francis for continuing what they call the outdated tradition of releasing the doves. So we'll have to see if the Vatican stops playing with the birds. But Pope Francis has already shown himself to be a bit of a pontifex with the times. Instead of releasing doves, why not release a cat piece meme instead? Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.